Programming shouldn't be boring. Let's play with the Codingame's puzzle today. Hi, let's play and solve a puzzle titled Telephone Numbers by Codingame. I'm Anatol and you are watching the good parts of the front-end development. If this is your first time here you wanna learn front-end and JavaScript, start now by subscribing and don't forget to turn on the subtitles. The story tells, dang, all of these telephone numbers are impossible to remember. What if we were to invent a new way to store phone numbers so that they take the least memory space? It is your task for today to achieve this hard work, then call me maybe. In this puzzle, you learn new ways and reasons to store data in optimized structures such as tree. The goal of this puzzle is to store multiple phone numbers in a compact way using a tree data structure, then count all the nodes there are in this tree. I've talked about tree data structure earlier in this video, so you can check the link in the description. To create a list of numbers, I use Array.from method. It creates a new array instance from an array-like or iterable object. It has following syntax. Let's dive into the code. Read a list of numbers and set the initial values. Build a tree using given list. Now calculate the nodes. Let's test it. Tests are green. Good job. That's pretty easy, isn't it? Next time, let's have a look at There's No Spoon puzzle. My code is available on GitHub. Documentation is available in the internet. Follow the links if you're eager to get more. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe to the channel and watch other episodes. Thanks for watching and dive deeper.